A small packing list to get you started for the fall semester of 2023. Don't forget your laptop, maybe a cute case. Don't forget a Bluetooth speaker or two in my case. Don't forget extension cords. Don't forget a mouse in case you have the Excel spreadsheets class, and blue light glasses because you'll constantly be on that computer. And that's it for our book bag. Since I'm a girl, I have a travel size jewelry box. It holds all my earrings and necklaces. Here's a little toolbox that my mom made me buy, but definitely came in handy. Look at that level for if you have anything to put up on your walls. Here's a small organizer in case you have any storage that you need. Definitely bring an ice cube tray. There's a little cart organizer. You can clip these on the side of your cart and they add so much storage. There's a little first aid kit for any cuts and scrapes. Now I'm just grabbing some medicine. Don't forget an eye mask in case you guys have any roommates, because you definitely will want some good sleep when you get here. Don't forget your Argo gear and definitely a mug in case you want to heat up some coffee or put anything through the microwave. If you like to watch movies or whatever, get a projector or a TV, then you definitely want to have something special from home. That's it for me, but I definitely can't wait to see you guys in fall 2023. And these are just some essentials that I've come up with.